Hello my friend, today we're in the Chinaplas 2021. We show our new design fuel blow machines. This machine we use the W bearing and the Taiwan design die head. Now we are running the LDP films. For here we use the traction rollers at this side. And on window, we can see on window this one is design semi-automatic, counting by the hand. For this machine, the output we can do maximum 45 kilograms per hour. And for the blower, we use with high speed, high pressure blowers and inverter controls, and you can cooling the film very good. Hey.